It's a Sunday afternoon, I'm bored, and my family's not home for once. Let's ring some crossing bells. So this is the power supply I use. It is very nice because you can fine-tune the voltage and the amperage to meet the specifications for the optimal running of each bell. So there will be two tests in this video. I will show the bell ringing from in my bedroom, and I will show it from 30 feet away outside. Alright, here we go with the first bell, the Safetran Hybrid bell. One thing that's interesting to note about this particular bell, it does not have that usual clink sound at the end. The bell just stops normally, which is quite bizarre. Still one of my favorite bells in my collection. Alright, so the next bell we're going to be testing here is my US&S Teardrop bell. I got this on eBay for about $380, but it's my favorite bell in my collection. My family dubs it the Rust Bucket, however. Alright, let's give it a go. Alright, here we have my Safetran Mechanical. This is a first generation model with a cast on base. So this one's pretty nice. It's got a really nice gong. Alright, let's give it a whirl. Wow, impressive. Alright, let's give it a go. Alright, second to last we have my Western Hayes 0333 second generation mechanical crossing bell. So this got the more modern stair-step base with the 4 and 5 inch mounts. So let's give this iconic bell the 90s a go. Last, we have my Western Hayes 0777 Electronic Bell. So this is the cap to open up the bell. Here's the circuit board, potentiometer for the volume adjustment and the ring rate adjustment, and then the speakers below here. So let's give it a whirl. Well then, that should conclude this video. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe, as my poor neighbors really had to suffer for this video. Alright, have a great day. Goodbye.